My mom was a lunch lady during the day and then worked at Sears at night at the jewelry counter, and my dad was a retail store manager for all sorts of different retail stores. But I remember being a little boy, right, and walking in, and my dad always wore a suit because back in the day they'd wear suits, right? A suit and tie. He had his own office, the wood paneling, John Wayne photos, all these cowboy photos and stuff. And I remember walking in and being like, wow, my dad is a total boss. And I've stopped with all that bullshit. We're number one, we're this, we're that. Because you know what, there's certain things like on our email signature stuff, but we're not going out of our way saying that stuff anymore. Because honestly, the consumer doesn't give a shit.
They don't really know what it means.
And everyone's number one. If you look in real estate in Rhode Island, oh, number one. Like, no, stop. Hey, everyone's not number one. And I remember I went to a parochial school, and I remember a kid raising his hand and the teacher calling on him, and the kid goes, I just want to tell the class that Emilio's parents shop at Salvation Army for all of his shoes. And the whole class pointed and laughed at me, and I was so pissed.
You look like an Emilio.
Do I?
Yeah.
Oh, wow, thank you.
Like a David.
I had some people tell me I look like a Jerry, and I'm like, Jerry? And nothing wrong with Jerry. I know some Jerrys.
Or a J?
I don't know, but I'm like,
a G Jerry.
Dude, I don't look like Jerry. And they're like, how do you know you don't look like a Jerry? Because I am Emilio the Fourth. I look like an Emilio. My son's the fifth. I look like my dad, my grandfather, my great-grandfather. I look like an Emilio. What do you mean?
The Hawk team.
We don't want to be the Hawk team. We don't want to be the Eagles.
Look around.
Yeah. We'd rather be the what do doves make? They make coos. Like a pigeon. They're a pretty pigeon. I was on the phone the other day, like no earpiece. I was like this, going up a hill, like San Francisco style hill in West Warwick, and I was like, oh my God, I gotta let you go. This panting is me going on a bike up the hill, I swear. It was my brother on the other line.
I enjoy in the bike, swimming, watering my grass. On my old man game.
Rinsing out your driveway. Why do people water their driveway? Go in Cranston, you see all these guys watering their driveway. How's it growing?